Hey everyone, got a package in today, mailbag Monday. It is actually Monday, and it's the 21st of December. I believe this is the package I got from another YouTuber called Another Maker. He sent me a Arduino module kit, and I responded to one of his videos, and I'm really excited about this. I'm still learning Arduino, and more modules the better. Looking forward to using them in my RC projects or around the house, robots, whatever fits. So let's open it up. He was nice enough to ship it through Amazon, and got to me within a few days. Let's see here. It's called the Grove Beginner Kit for Arduino, and it says it's Arduino Uno compatible. Oh, board included, which is nice. 10 well-selected modules and all pre-wired. 12 tutorials from basic concept to fun projects. That's really cool. It looks like LED buzzer, light, sound, temperature and humidity, OLED display. Let's see. 3-axis accelerometer, air pressure sensor, light sensor, sound sensor, rotary geometer, button, LED buzzer, OLED display, Arduino Lotus. I don't know what that is, but Grove cables and micro USB cable. Looks of it. This is open and play. Step 1, you open the box. Step 2, you extend the Grove cables, and then on the other side you run a micro USB port, and then step 3, you run power. So this is all one Arduino kit. You don't need to break these separate boards out. They all talk to each other all on one board. You got light sensor, temperature, air pressure sensor, 3-axis accelerometer, potentiometer, button, LED display, LED, and a buzzer. And you got power, and these are all got digital analog inputs onto the Arduino itself with the Grove cables from the looks of it. Like all these Grove plugs, you know, they plug and play between the inputs and the modules. So we got that on one side, and then you're supposed to open this up, and it's supposed to have a micro USB for power. This is a nice beginner board to learn the different modules and code. I'm really excited to use this, and also for my kids to use this. It looks real simple. I thought you would have to break out these boards, but it doesn't look like it. It's all one giant board like it says on the back. Once again, thank you for this kit, another maker, and looking forward to maybe showing this off in the future in another video. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Bye.